This 2021 Forest River Sierra Destination 399 Loft is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Longs, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This used Forest River is 40 feet 11 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleeps 6, LP detector, DVD player, awning, refrigerator, TV, CO detector, stovetop burner, skylight, external shower, smoke detector, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features bunk beds, bunk over cab, bunkhouse, couples coach, front living area, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Forest River Sierra Destination 399 LOFT is 10,939 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.